Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I just wanted to purposely to give a small message, and as well as this account. If you guys have been subscribed to I Play Games, or aka Derek, he is a very good YouTuber. He has over 1,000 subs, and congrats on that too. But on Monday, starting today, till the end on Sunday, we are going to be giving away one iOS account and one Android account, along with Terry Z24. So guys, when it starts, this is one of the accounts that's gonna be shown and given away. There's gonna be a lot of chances to win either one platform you're on. This is iOS currently, but if you win it, you can sell it if you're Android, or get an iOS device. A level 82 got Dracula, 409. Aries, 78, level 78, 3 and 9, almost halfway to 4 and 9. Level 77, Succubus, 3 and 9. Level 72, the Mortet, 2 and 9. Druid, 4 and 9. Snowzilla, and Champion. Well, I'll just show a bit of gameplay of this account. Let's tell you the statistics first. It can farm HBMD. It's currently low might for farming issues, gold, mana, but it'll get better. It'll be a good free-to-play account, or if you guys want to spend money on it, it'll still be a good account either way. Well, after this raid, I think I'll end the video because I have to record on a bigger account. It's a 92k mat account. It's called Incredible Ian. I recorded on it on my old videos, and I'm gonna start recording on it again. Thank you to the owner, Exact, who's also the leader of Imperial Order 2. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. It'll be uploaded. I won't make any edits since I'm running short on time. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy these heroes. Subscribe to Terry Z24 and IPG as soon as we start. I also play another game that I will be presenting shortly, maybe tomorrow, with Derek. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.